In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine air filter on your Subaru Outback. This will be located in the front of the engine compartment. Let's get started. We're going to open the two clips for the air box. We're going to push the air box back just enough to get the air filter out. These tabs are going to be going on the top and bottom. We're going to slide that air box back just slightly, install the air filter, close the clips, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.